Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics with Safter. Now you are watching IGCSE Physics Past Paper Solution series. Today we will solve question on topic speed. So let's start with the quick revision about the speed. The first point is distance covered by an object per unit time is called speed. You can calculate the average speed by using this equation. Total distance covered divided by time taken. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. One more thing, you need to remember this conversion factor. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So let's begin the solution of the questions. Now this question from October-November 2015 series. What is the question? A car travels along the route PQRS in 30 minutes. What is the average speed of the car? So look at the journey of the car. The car starts from point P, then moves to point Q. During that journey, the car covered distance 10 km. Then car moves from point Q to R and covers 5 km distance. Then R to S and cover distance 10 km. And finally, the car reaches at point T and cover distance 5 km. The question is, what is the average speed of the car? For the average speed, you know well, you need two things. You need distance and time taken. First, we will calculate the total distance traveled. So you will calculate this 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus this 5. So finally you will get distance is equals to 30 km. Then you need total time taken. Now we will convert 30 minutes into hours because in the option the time is given in hours. So we are going to convert 30 minutes into hours. Remember this conversion factor. You know well, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and it's better to write like this. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. To convert 60 into 30, divide this number with 2. 60 over 2. The same action you will do on the right hand side. 1 over 2. And finally, you will get 30 minutes is equals to half an hour. Or you can write like this, 0.5 hours. Now this time we are going to put in this equation of speed. So the total time becomes 30 minutes or 0.5 hours. I'll put this number in the formula of speed. 30 km is the distance traveled and total time taken is 0.5 hours. Then finally you get 60 km per hour. Now look at the options. A is 10 km per hour, B is 20 km per hour, C is 30 km per hour, and D is 60 km per hour. That is the right answer. Now this question is from May-June 2016 series. The question is, a train begins a journey from a station and travels 60 km in a time of 20 minutes. What is the average speed of the train? We have four options here. Let's draw the situation that will help us to solve the question easily. Let's suppose this diagram is showing a train which starts its journey from station A and reaches station B, and the distance covered by this train is given, which is 60 km. So this is distance covered by the train, and the train took 20 minutes to reach at point B. And now we will calculate its average speed. To calculate the average speed, first we will write average speed equation, that is total distance covered by the train over total time taken. In the question, the total distance is given, that is 60 km. But look at the options. The distance is given in meter. That's why first you will change kilometer into meter. And now we are going to convert kilometer into meter. In the question we have 60 kilometer and we have to change in meter. For that, remember this conversion factor. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Because we need 60 kilometer, so how to make this 1 kilometer into 60? Multiply this number with 60. 60 times this one factor. The same method you will do on the right hand side. 60 into 1000. Your left hand side becomes 60 kilometer. And right hand side you will get 60,000 meter. So in this way you can write your 60 kilometer is equal to 60,000 meter. Then you need the total time taken. The total time is 20 minutes. But once again, in all options we have time in second. So we will convert 20 minutes into second first. Now look at this conversion factor. You know well, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. And we are going to convert 20 minutes into second. So start with this one again. You know well, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. To change 1 minute into 20, multiply with 20 here. The same method you will do on the right hand side. 20 times 60. Your left hand side becomes 20 minutes. And right hand side becomes, multiply these numbers, you will get 1200 seconds. So 20 minutes becomes 1200 seconds. Now put this number in the speed equation. Distance traveled is 60,000 meter. Total time taken 1200 seconds. Divide the numbers. Then you get 50 meter per second. Now check the options. A is 3 meter per second. B is 5 meter per second. C is 50 meter per second. And D is 60 meter per second. So option C is the right answer. Thank you very much for listening. Keep watching Physics with Safdar for better results in exam. Here you will find all the things you need, your practical lessons, past paper solutions, and theory lessons. See you in the next lesson. Share this video, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Keep watching Physics with Safdar.